Mastering verbs that require to, making infinitives your friends. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we are going to unravel an exciting topic within the realm of English grammar. Verbs that require to, also known as infinitives. This video will help you understand when and how to use them in your everyday English. Let's get started. In English, infinitives are the base form of the verb, typically preceded by the word to. For example, in the sentence, I like to read books, to read, is an infinitive. However, it's important to know that not all verbs can be followed by an infinitive. Today, we are specifically focusing on those verbs that do require an infinitive following them. Here are some of the most common verbs that are followed by infinitives. These include but are not limited to agree, decide, hope, learn, need, plan, seem, want, and wish. Let's look at some examples. I agree to go to the cinema tonight. She decided to study medicine. We hope to see you at the party. You need to finish your homework. Understanding and correctly using these verb patterns will significantly improve your English fluency. In negative sentences, the not is placed before the infinitive. So, for example, I decided not to go to the party. They seem not to understand the rules. Remember, when using a verb that requires to, the negative form also involves the infinitive. Some verbs are followed by an object before the infinitive. These verbs include advise, allow, encourage, remind, teach, among others. Here's how we use them. I advise you to study for the test. They encourage students to participate in extracurricular activities. And that's a wrap. I hope you now have a solid understanding of verbs that require to in English. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, don't forget to practice what you've learned today by creating your own sentences using these structures. If you found this video helpful, please let us know in the comments, and stay tuned for more English learning videos. Until then, keep practicing and happy learning.